So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to try to search for the app, which is Boomplay. So when you find Boomplay app, what you have to do is to use your finger to tap on it for some while, and you're going to see this pop up. When you find this pop up, tap on the app info to get into the app info of Boomplay. When you get to the app info, what you have to do is to tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. Now go back and tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, then you tap on clear cache. Then after clearing the cache, go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on like this. After that, go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So tap on Google Play Store when you find it and make sure you get the latest update of this app. So as you can see over here, we have what we have not been updated. So this is what we have over here. So it says we should update it. So tap on updates to get the latest update. So after updating it, what you have to do is to tap on the power button, then tap on restart to reboot or restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video.